Here's how to reach our support team without ever leaving Zora. Tap the Zora logo at the top of the screen and choose Get Support. The contact dialog opens right inside the app with 3 fields: a subject, your message, and the email address we should reply to. The reply email fills in automatically once you've added one to your profile. To set it, long press your avatar on the login screen, open the Info tab, and enter your address. That's your personal Zora email, also used in the crew list and in case of emergency. We cover the user profile in a separate video, link below. For a single ticket, you can type a different address if you'd rather the reply went somewhere else. Fill in the subject, describe the issue, and tap Save to send it. Send a separate ticket for each issue or feature request. Easier to track, easier to close. On passage with no connection, the request is stored and sent the moment Zora is back online. We send back a confirmation with the ticket number so you have it in your inbox. That's how you reach us. Straight from Zora.